Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is March 20th, 2023. As always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. Okay, so looking at the chart here, you could see that we had a pretty wild day. As always for the past couple of weeks with these banks. And in the morning, very large candles going up, then back down, then back up again, and it was actually kind of difficult to capture the premium. I used I used limit orders to place the trade, and the premium was going all over the place. I mean, I placed order for 38.85, and I think I set it for like $700, and within, I don't know, couple of seconds it was less by a couple of $100 already. So, and the same thing was going on the call side as well. So it was very difficult. Sometimes you're better off just doing a market order when things like this are happening, because you might capture more premium than you would be chasing it down by canceling, placing the order, canceling it, placing another order, canceling it, placing another order. By that time, everything might change, right? So I think I definitely lost out on a couple of $100 here and there on each one of these orders with these huge swings. So anyway, we had a pretty nice run up until this point right here. And this is actually when FRC announced that they need more capital and that they might be issuing more shares, which obviously spooked the market pretty significantly. We went from 39.56 to 39.23. As you can see here, obviously we completely recovered that fairly fast, pretty much as fast as we lost it. But then we kind of started giving it up as the day progressed. Now, somewhere over here in this during this time, I ended up selling back my shares or my options that were at 3,900, which was right here. The reason I did that, I mean, we were pretty far away, but the reason I did that is, looking at this right here, you could definitely expect some kind of bad news that would pretty much take all the steam right out of this market and have it sell off below opening and maybe into the 3,900s. So while I did buy, I usually don't buy back at these levels. I did buy back the options, and I didn't pay much. As you can see here, I paid 35 for one and then 10 for the other one. But I just wanted to make a note of that basically, even if it looks safe in this environment, that buying back those shares is not a big deal. You're better off to do so than, having it go sideways on you. So let's take a look at the actual trades. Well, actually, let's look at let me get rid of this. Let's look at the trades here. So like I said, in the morning, couple of calls and puts. Then it's Monday, which I usually sell my covered calls. We have Roblox, PayPal, and Beyond Beef. And the rest were all the SPX trades. And these two right here were the ones that I bought back. Now you can see here the ones that I bought back never went in the money, and the 38.85 and the 38.40, along with these 39.70, 39.75, and the 39.90, those are all expiring worthless today, and all of our calls and puts are finally not trapped, which is great news. I'm happy to be ending today out of past couple of weeks always having an option that is somewhere in the money. Having it hold it overnight is now finally out. So that was a good call from last Friday to sell these at 3,900, collected some extra premium. I could have went even further down, but I didn't. I collected $500 premium on these two right here. So that's that. We do have Powell on Wednesday. So that's going to be a very volatile day, or expected to be a very volatile day. And you could see that it's reflected in the premium pricing. Some of these are going for a lot of money. So 3,900 is going for, a put on 3,900 is going for $1,900. I don't know if I'll be trading. I might place one option on the put side, one option on the call side. I don't think I'll be trading more than that. If the announcement is going to be that they're going to continue with the rate increases or continue to, do what they were doing with all the banking issues going on, I think we're going to tank. If they're going to say that we're going to pause, you could assume that we're going to either go up from that or maybe stay in the same place, but nobody knows. It's a gamble, and got to be trading with caution if you're trading. So we have one more day tomorrow. Again, you have to kind of you have to be careful tomorrow as well, because if you get caught in one of these, if there's going to be some bad news and you get caught right before Powell, it might be bad news. So tomorrow is another kind of a very cautious day. I might place 2 trades here and there, but overall it's going to be kind of quiet up until Thursday for me. I'm not going to be placing a lot of trades. Of course, I say that now, and then the day of, I might change my mind, so we'll never know. But so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I do these every single day. Please subscribe, and plus press the like button if you enjoy the content. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.